Tempers afraid here. The Mumbai Heroes were not happy. Whatever happened the last over, they were complaining that only one bouncer is allowed per over. And they felt that more than one bouncer was bowled. Should have been a no ball. He goes big. This time is Shabir. He has connected well, but there is a fielder station. Oh! Desperate drive in the end. He manages to save some runs for his boundary, but I'm sure the umpires will go upstairs to check. Is Tarun there at deep mid-wicket?
Well, the big question, Sabah, there is, did he stop it cleanly? Definitely the umpire will be checking with the third umpire. Fumble, and then once again diving. I think that's a very good job done. Yeah, that's pretty clean. Very nicely done. Very good recovery, as they say. Diving just at the right time, ensuring his hand not touching the skirting. Just 2 runs of the very first delivery.
They're enjoying it. Heroes, they're up on their feet. Hits it well, Shabir. Goes straight to the fielder there. They go for a second. And he's gone. He's gone this time. Good throw from the deep by the fielder station there. It is Shabir who's walking back. Good throw. It is Rajiv. Strong arm straight into the gloves of Sudeep, the wicketkeeper, who breaks the stumps. And Shabir, he's way out. He's not even in the picture.
Yeah, absolutely. He's not even waiting for the third umpire. And he's walking back. Excellent throw from the deep from Rajiv. He's got a very strong arm, and Sudeep, the captain, is delighted. Not even the frame there, he was struggling. Very evident, and that's the right call. That was an easy call for the third umpire. And Shabir, the captain, has got to go back to the pavilion. Played well for his 15 runs. He was looking good and threatening. It was 149 for 4. So 21 more from 10 deliveries, striking timber. What an over this is turning out to be. The bulldozers are coming back, taking 2 wickets in 2 deliveries. Things looking much better for them now. And the crowds here in Bengaluru have exploded. They're on their feet.
That's not good cricket there with the new man in. It's Apurva who should be given more strike. He goes for the big one, he goes for glory. And he loses his wicket in the bargain. It's 148 for 6. It is Sharad Kelkar goes back for naught.
This has been a very good over so from Abhimanyu. Once again running very hard for the single. And more importantly, it's Apurva back on strike. Sharad Kelkar, the new man, at the crease for the Heroes. Won't be very easy for the new man. Straight away, he's got to go for those big shots.
Both the wickets that fell, it wasn't required at all. Sunny, first delivery faces, he goes for the big one, he misses. Even before that, there's no need for Shabir to go for the second run. It is more important for Apurva to be on strike. So that's a calculative mistake which the Heroes have done. And it may cost them dearly.
Not only a Sabha wicket but also a dot ball. Now dot ball at this stage is like gold dust. 2 wickets falling in this over so far. And this has been a very good over for the Bulldozers. Marshalling his troops at the moment. Sudeep wants to be very precise with his field settings. Man posted a deep square leg now for the left-hander on strike. It's gone a deep mid-wicket, a long one. A lot of protection in the deep on the onside. Wild slog, missing it completely. Another dot ball. This will create much more pressure on the Heroes.
What an over from Abhimanyu. He's conceded only 4. He's picked up the wicket of Sunny Singh. And in this over, one has also seen a run out. Strong throw from the deep by Rajiv.
Strikes and as well. Clobbered on the offside. It's a boundary to end the over. 153 for 6.